आता खबरो विस्तारान. सरकारान दाबोळे विमानतळार मद्य बाटल्यांचो ओपन रिटेल सेल करपाचो जो निर्णय घेतला ताचो वास्को मद्य वेपारी संघटनेन खर निषेध केला. तांच्या म्हणण्या प्रमाण तांचो पुराय धंदो विमानतळा सावन आनी वास्को रेल्वे स्थानका सावन येवपी पर्यटकांचेर आदारीत आसा. ह्या संदर्भात मुखेलमंत्री सावंत आमच्या प्रस्नाकडेन गंभीरतायेन पळयतलो अशी आस डिलर्सांनी उक्तायल्या. डेस्क खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
I'm Francis Pereira from Monday Road Trading.
Okay.
See, in the past, there was a liquor shop at the airport, which caused a lot of inconvenience and loss to the wholesalers and the wine shops in and around Vasco. So, timely action by the late CM saved all the Vasco cars and Portugal. And I hope our Honorable Chief Minister keeps up the legacy of the old late say.
महाराष्ट्र ट्रेडिंग वाईन शॉप आमचे असोसिएशन प्रसाद ऑलरेडी CM समोर सावंताकडे उलयला. जो शॉप दाबोलीम एअरपोर्टाचेर येता तेजे हेतूंत आमकां मातशें प्रॉब्लम जावपाक शकता फुडें. बिकॉज चडशे लोक ट्युरिस्ट वास्को येता ते मोस्टली चड करून when they are going back there are chances they may take the liquor from airport itself. So आमकां अशें भिरांत आसा की आमचे कस्टमर बी जावपाक सामके चान्सीस व्हेरी हे आसा. सो हेजे बद्दल मातशें CMन मातशें पळोवपाचें आमचे बद्दल आनी आमचे पयलींच आमचें मार्केट लॅस जाल्ल्या बिकॉज ऑफ लॅस टुरिस्ट. सो look into the matter and liquor shop
To come up over there. What will be the ill effects if that wine shop comes?
The wine shops in Goa and especially Vasco is tourist based. We are based on tourists as our customers. So when they come to Goa, when they come to the airport, they'll pick the bottles from the airport, and that way we will lose our business. Even whilst leaving Goa, when they're going out, they will pick up the bottles from the airport and go. So, and we won't get that business.
You are also saying that
Well, nothing a wine shop Asil 10 years back. There was a wine shop over there. And then we had approached Honorable CM, ex-CM Manohar Parrikar, and told him about it. And then under the clause of the prohibited area, the license was cancelled. But now this party has come up again and he wants to put a wine shop over there. But I don't know how he can put it over. Since it is a prohibited area, the license will not be given to him.
So it is operating or it is supposed to come?
It is supposed to come. It is not operating. He has applied for a license and the file is Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant.
will it be wholesale liquor sold? कसं असेल?
It won't be wholesale. It will be retail sale of alcohol in packed bottles.
कितली शॉपां वाईन स्टोर येवपाचें आशा आपल्या
ते आता हांवें आयकलां त्या प्रमाणे 3 वायन शॉप येवपाचे आहा म्हणून. वन एट अ डिपार्चर, वन अरायवल आनी एक आफ्टर द सिक्युरिटी चेक वेन यू लिव्हिंग आउट फ्रॉम हियर देर विल बी वन मोर वायन शॉप.
तुम्ही अशें म्हटलेलें की यू हॅव सेड दॅट रिसंटली तुमी वचून CMक बीन मेळ्ळे. कितें जालें डिस्कशन?
आमचो दत्तप्रसाद नायक आमचो प्रेसिडेंट वचून CMक मेळ्ळो and CM has given him an assurance that he is going to study the matter.